Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru, and today we're talking about deductibles, and we're talking about buildings like this one right here. We're talking about all these different types of buildings like you can see right here behind us. And what we're talking about are two things to consider when picking your deductible for these buildings. So the first thing you want to look at is long-term claim impact. And what we mean by this is if you have a flood insurance claim on your property, it could have a bigger long-term impact than what your actual deductible is. What we mean by this, let's just say you decide to file a claim and your premiums go up $2,000 a year. Then at year 4, you've already exceeded what would have been a $5,000 claim or a $5,000 deductible. And generally, this is why we recommend the $5,000 deductible. The next thing to think about though is maybe you don't have $5,000 in the bank. You never want to pick a deductible that you don't have enough money in the bank to cover this. We see people get into this problem all the time where they have to take out a disaster loan just to cover the deductible on a building. So these are two things that you want to consider when picking the deductible on your flood insurance policy. So if you've got questions about, what are your deductible options? What is the best deductible? Making sure you have the right deductible for your building, your contents, and your additional living expenses. Click below to visit our website, floodinsuranceguru.com. Remember, we have an educational background in flood mitigation, which means we can help you understand flood risk like this right here. Your flood insurance and mitigating your property long term. Thank you.